CRPS is a condition, the letters actually stand for complex regional pain syndrome. It's related to trauma, and the trauma can be a minor trauma, it can be a major trauma, it can be a trauma resulting in a fracture, it can be a trauma such as a pinprick, or from a needle draw or a needle inoculation such as intravenous, and it causes a systemic breakdown. It causes excruciating pain. So it's a terrible, terrible condition for which there is unfortunately no cure and very little in the way of treatment. The kinds of cases that we see here at the firm are cases of CRPS which are contracted in the course either of a blood draw or injections into the body. It can be caused because the needle is either in the wrong place, it's at the wrong angle, or it's put in the wrong way, inserted in the wrong way. Symptoms of CRPS generally very often can start with the feeling similar to an electric shock when the needle has been inserted. From there, if CRPS develops, the patient can have changes in temperature in the extremity. There can be a change in the hair growth, hair patterns change. The pain then becomes unrelenting. The people are ultra sensitive to cold and also to touch. It's a life-changing event. CRPS is an unusual condition because it can't be detected by a test. There are a number of treatment modalities for CRPS, for complex regional pain syndrome, none of which are entirely 100% effective. We have two very specific things that we bring to the table when we represent clients with this condition of CRPS. One is that we have an extensive, almost exhaustive library of the medical literature that has been produced in the last several decades. The other advantage that we have in representing CRPS victims is that because we've represented so many people and we've looked at so many cases of CRPS, we understand the condition and we understand how best to put before a judge exactly what this condition means.